Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Wake&Tech. Today in this video, I'm gonna show you how you can do your slow-mo on CapCut. Keep watching the video till the end. To do your slow-mo on CapCut, firstly go ahead and launch open your CapCut application. Select any project that you'd like to edit and you'll end up on this page. Now to do slow-mo on CapCut, simply click on Edit option at the bottom of the page and then click on Speed. From the given option, click on Curve. Now all you need to do is tap on Custom. Tap it again to edit your slow-mo feature. Now what you need to do is scroll to the spot by raising the dots or moving it down. Raising these dots will increase the speed, whereas lowering the dots will lower the speed. This is how you can do slow-mo on CapCut quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.